Hello and welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel. If this is your first time, I am Trajan. I'm a former financial planner and CFO, and I talk about money. So it's summer and a lot is happening. It's a great time for people to earn extra money, for grown-ups and little kids and teenagers. In this video, I will cover 3 ideas to how you can make more money, make some extra side money if you're a kid. So if you're a parent, then this will be great for you. Some ideas for your kids. And if you're a kid, these are some ideas of how you can earn some extra money. And I wanted to talk about this because my kids are out there at their lemonade stand earning some money. And it's been a great lesson for them and for me about how to talk to my kids about money and how to talk to your kids about money now that they're old enough to start making some money on their own. And it got me thinking about some great ways that kids can make money and some lessons that we can learn from them. So a couple of the standard tried and true ways for kids to earn money I'll talk about, and then some things maybe you haven't thought about. So the first one is dog walking. If you live in a place which is kind of everywhere that has a lot of dogs, has a lot of pets, there are people that will pay your kids and kids who love animals to take the dog for a walk every morning or every evening, and maybe even watch the kid, or if they go on summer vacation, to feed the dogs, feed the cats, water the plants, take care of the house. Not necessarily house sitting, but just going over once a day, checking on everything, feeding all the animals, feeding the plants, and walking the dogs. So whether it's for vacations or just every morning, every night, it's an easy way for kids to do something that doesn't require a lot of skills, but requires some planning and some responsibility, which is a great lesson, great thing to get used to. And you can build up a consistent clientele of people by providing the service that then, if you want to grow it, you can provide other services, like if it snows in the winter where you live, that you can roll that into to shoveling the walk, or putting up Christmas lights, or whatever it is. One of the great things about doing summer jobs that are consistent like this, where you have a clientele, is that you can build up that list of clients. And then as the year goes on, or the years go on and you get older, you can go back to those same people in the neighborhood. Since you know them all, you can go back to them and offer them additional services. So dog walking is a great one. Doesn't take very much time, maybe an hour in the morning, an hour at night, go around, collect all the dogs, walk them all together, and charge some money for that and build up that clientele. Kind of related to that, building up clientele, is the classic babysitting. This is for more mature and responsible kids, but it can be an excellent way to earn money and gain some valuable experience. And babysitting can be quite lucrative. In my neighborhood, babysitters are paid between $10 and $15 an hour. So if you are an older kid or a teen, it's a great way to earn some money. Next is lawn mowing and yard work. These are jobs that are perfect for kids who like to be outside and don't mind the physical labor, and it's a great way to learn how to do some of those skills of taking care of the job. And again, it doesn't have to take a lot of time. My kids spend about 2 hours every Saturday doing some yard work for some families in the neighborhood. And sure, the quality might not be there, and they require some supervision if they're kids, but it's a great way to earn some money and build up some cash that they can use to spend on the things they like, and put some in savings, and get used to earning money, spending money, and saving money, building up those skills and learning how to work hard, and especially outside. The next one is car washing. It's a classic job for kids that doesn't require a lot of equipment. It's outside. It can be fun. You've got the hose. You're playing around. You're squirting people, and you don't have to do it a lot. You can do it maybe every few weeks. You put some signs around the neighborhood. We're doing a car wash. It's a big event. It's a Saturday. We're going to spend a few hours from 10 in the morning to noon. Come by and get your car washed for $25 a pop, and you get a bunch of kids in the neighborhood to do it all together, and then you split the revenue, split the money. And then take out the costs, of course, and then split the money. It's a great way to earn some money. Then there's the classic lemonade stand. This one's funny because it's classic, but a lot of kids don't do it correctly. And this is the business person in me when I see a a lemonade stand, and it's a great opportunity to teach kids and for kids to learn about how to do some marketing. For example, I always find that when I'm passing a lemonade stand, I can't read the sign because they write it on a piece of paper and they write a whole bunch of things and it's tiny. And they write a bunch of different sizes, small, medium, large, 25 cents, 50 cents, $1. And from what my kids say is that when people come by to get the lemonade, most of the time they don't want the lemonade. They just want to support the kids. They don't care what the price is or what the size is. And so I say, just put one big sign up that says lemonade. Get people's attention, let them know that you're there. And you don't have to worry about all of the different prices and the different sizes, the sizes of cups and whatever. Just keep it very simple, because most people just want to support you. They just want to know that there's lemonade there. So a good lesson in marketing. Have a clear sign. Don't worry about the details, and just have some visibility. Pick a good location which has great traffic, and you can make some good money going out there once or twice a week and selling lemonade, because people just want to support the kids in the neighborhood. A couple of ideas for older kids is if there are seniors in the neighborhood that need some help, maybe doing the grocery shopping or some housework or yard work, or just want to have somebody around to talk to for companionship or help around the house, then helping seniors in your neighborhood, those that you know really well and you can trust, can be a very good job. And then lastly is photography. If you've got a cell phone or a camera, you can do photography. You can do it for events in your neighborhood, and charge people for doing quick photography businesses or photography jobs, documenting what's happening in their home. So those are 7 or 8 different jobs that kids can do that are pretty easy and low maintenance, and earn some extra side money. If you've got some jobs that you think that I missed that are great jobs for kids, then link down below. I've created some other videos, or not link, but comment down below. I've created some other videos for adults, some side hustles, and I'll link below a playlist of several videos where I cover how to earn some money as an adult, including a video about how to earn extra money as a teenager. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.